In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about QuickBooks Online, all in just 2 quick minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, QuickBooks Online can be a game changer for managing your finances efficiently. We're going to quickly run through the basic navigation and main features that QuickBooks has to offer. So let's dive in. First, you need to open your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online website. Once there, log into your account using your email and password. If you haven't set up an account, you'll want to go through that process first, making sure you have the correct credentials ready. Once you're logged in, you'll see a menu panel on the left side of your screen. Gently hover over this menu. This sidebar is your main navigation tool where you'll interact with various features. The first item you should click on is Clients. This section is crucial for managing the people you're working with, including their information and communication logs. Next, click on Billing. This area lets you manage invoices and receive payments. It's a wonderful way to stay on top of your cash flow. After that, click on Work. Here, you'll prioritize tasks and projects, and it's a fantastic tool for staying organized. Now click on Team. If you manage or work with a team, this feature will be incredibly handy for organizing and monitoring team activities and roles. Moving forward, click on Pro Advisor. This section is designed to help accountants with resources and guides that can offer added proficiency in managing clients. Then go ahead and click on Apps. Here you can integrate a variety of third-party applications to extend QuickBooks' capabilities for more personalized business solutions. Below that is another option, Bookmarks. Clicking here allows you to keep essential tasks at your fingertips for faster access. Next, navigate to the Bank Transactions section. This area connects your bank accounts directly and simplifies the reconciling process. If needed, you can click Edit Bookmark to modify shortcuts for improved access to the tools you use most often. Proceed to the Your Books feature, where you can get a comprehensive overview of your financials. This is followed by the Client Overview, which provides a big picture view of client work. Also, explore the Dashboards option for visual reports of your business's financial health. Click on Tasks to see activities that need completion, and Transactions to amass all monetary activity in one place. Now click on Advanced Accounting for more specialized financial tasks. Then make your way to Sales and Expenses to track revenue and spending. The Reports section offers extensive insights into different areas of your business finances. The Payroll section will help you manage employee payments efficiently, and Time can track workforce hours effectively. After that, accessing Inventory can let you manage stock levels, and Projects can help in handling development tasks. Click on Financial Planning to visualize future growth patterns. For routine operations improvement, workflow automation is indispensable. Lastly, check out Taxes, Lending and Banking, and Commerce for a complete business corner. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of QuickBooks Online. We've covered the dashboard navigation and main features to help streamline your business financials. Hope you found this quick guide useful, and stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials.